Every accountant in the world uses the same system to track money. It's been around for over 500 years. And most business owners have never heard of it. It's called double entry bookkeeping. And once you understand it, your entire financial picture becomes clear. Let's break it down simply. Here's the core idea. Every single financial transaction in your business affects two accounts at the same time. Always two. Never one. Never three. Always two. You buy a laptop, money leaves your bank account, but a laptop enters your assets. Two accounts affected. A client pays you, money enters your bank account, and your accounts receivable decreases. Two accounts affected. You pay rent, money leaves your bank, and your rent expense increases. Two accounts affected. Every transaction tells two sides of the same story. That's double entry. Now here's where people get confused. Debits and credits. Forget what you think you know from your bank statement. In bookkeeping, these words mean something specific. A debit increases assets and expenses. A credit increases liabilities, equity, and income. Let's use a real example. You invoice a client for 2,000. Debit accounts receivable, 2,000. Your asset goes up because someone owes you money. Credit revenue, 2,000. Your income goes up because you earned it. Both sides equal 2,000. They balance. That's the whole point. In double entry bookkeeping, debits always equal credits. Always. If they don't, something is wrong. That's how errors get caught. So why does this matter for your business? Because single entry bookkeeping, just recording income and expenses in a list, only tells you half the story. Double entry tells you the full picture. Where money came from, where it went, what you own, what you owe, your true profit, your real financial position. It's the foundation of every real financial report. Your profit and loss statement, your balance sheet, your cash flow report, all of it built on double entry. Without it, your numbers are incomplete. With it, you have full financial clarity. Here's the good news. You don't need to manually do any of this. When you use Xero, double entry bookkeeping happens automatically in the background. Every transaction you record, every invoice, every expense, every bank payment. Xero handles both sides of the entry for you. You never have to think about which account to debit and which to credit. Xero does it. You just enter what happened. Xero records it correctly, and your financial reports, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow are always accurate and always up to date. That's the power of modern accounting software. The 500-year-old system working silently behind every transaction. If you want to try Xero and see this in action, link is in the description. Discount available for new users. Here's what to remember. Every transaction affects two accounts. Debits equal credits. Always. You don't need to master the mechanics. That's what software is for. But understanding the concept makes you a smarter business owner. You understand why your reports look the way they do. You catch errors faster. You make better decisions. Double entry bookkeeping, 500 years old. Still the foundation of every business that knows its numbers. Subscribe. I post daily videos on bookkeeping basics, accounting software, and practical finance tips. See you in the next one.